Yes, sir. Yes. No, sir. I'll be there once we start with this road safety awareness campaign. Sure, sir. Jai Hind, sir. Just make sure it's visible enough and let's get this started.
समझाने का दिन है, सजा देने का नहीं। तो एक्शन का भाषण क्या?
एग्जैक्टली यार, ये क्लास बंक करने का कुछ मजा ही और है नहीं?
You remind me of people who say that they need to get the job so they can take leave.
Feels weird going outside between 9:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. knowing that classes are going on.
Oh, come on man, don't spoil the day so early. I think we need a distraction. How about we practice the parody song for the annual day celebrations?
I don't see any reason to say no.
Good, hit the song.
जब मैं था 7वीं में,
जैसा
12वीं तक बदला।
टेंशन वैसा
बोलो रे, जब मैं था 7वीं में,
जैसा
12वीं तक बदला।
टेंशन वैसा
हर कॉलेज में फैलाया,
मेरा एप्लीकेशन
क्योंकि तोड़ना नहीं सबका।
एक्सपेक्टेशन
बड़ी तेजी से आया,
एग्जामिनेशन
आखिर 4-5 दिनों में। बचना रेपुटेशन, चाहे ऑक्यूपेशन, संभाल कर लेगी पायलों में सेलिब्रेशन।
Yes, officer. Is there any problem?
सुबह सुबह इंग्लिश में विजय कुमार सर, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, you must be wondering why you are stopped.
Yes sir, you are using the most environment friendly means of transport, so
It is just a mismatch between the direction of the journey and the time.
Balwanji, help them understand. Will you?
हाँ सर, देखिए
Balwanji, times have changed and these students could make something big out of their lives and there is a possibility that we have to salute them for the positions they might get in their future. The P in the Buddhist stands for polite, right? Switch to English. Politeness will follow.
Okay sir. See, your college is that way and it's 9:15 a.m. now, which means it's time to go to college, not come out of it. You have an explanation tonight?
Sir, we have a project submission due tomorrow and we have strict instructions not to rely on Google for the content.
We have a friend who is in the another college but has done the same project.
we were about to get that from you.
What's the topic of your project? Transformative power of education in India.
Making a project on education by using a day's learning. That's rich.
Sir, we haven't broken any law.
That may be true, but skipping your class to compromise your project work by getting someone else's work doesn't sound very fair.
How about you stay with us for a while? It isn't a punishment. Maybe we can inspire you to come up with an original work. Who knows?
Alright, sir.
Okay, let's see what we have got. That's strange.
What is?
Oh, come on, Balbanji, you don't have to be shell out to figure that.
Oh,
Waiting for the bus?
Yes, sir. Bus stop. So,
What's that in with the helmet? Are you guys a part of a chain snatching gang?
no, sir.
Dharvi, deal with this. What do we have here, Meena Kumari?
looks okay sir, no violation found.
That's good to hear. Hey there, would you like to have a chocolate? Consider it as a reward for following the rules. Is your dad very strict about rules?
Yes, he always reminds me to put on a seatbelt so the police won't catch us.
What? Sir, should I discuss the need of seat belts and rules to someone of your age? Seat belts पुलिस से बचने के लिए नहीं, जान बचाने के लिए हैं. I don't think she understood that. Meena, can you check the plates for me?
It's a DA registration, sir.
The seat belts aren't for escaping from the police. It's to save your own lives. Manasi Lalo. Okay, get going.
Sir, That was not a Tamil word.
Yeah, I know. Thanks to a couple of Rajnikant films, every Tamilian understands that Malayalam.
Sir.
Sir.
The helmet guys. What's their story then?
They thought that we have seen them crossing the speed limit in the slow speed zone. So they parked their bike behind that tree and decided to be passengers on a bus.
समझदार बच्चे हैं सर.
But these geniuses couldn't take their helmets off before deciding to act as people waiting for the bus.
Do you guys even see what we are dealing with? It's either incomplete learning or imperfect learning. This road, and this is for all of you, is a place where many people cross paths. Don't find your thrill in such a place. Humans are supposed to be survivalists, but very often we find people on the road alive. हमारे और मौत के बीच में किसी चीज को नहीं आने का. Yes, sir. I'm on my way, sir. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Balwant, you're up for a petrol drop, right? Take these guys with you. You may go with this, sir. You'll be back within the hour.
Okay, sir.
Let's go and see a change of scenery.
Look around. Feels like we have traveled back in time. There you are, Uttam. These people are not from the city and they would like to know about you.
Me? But I am nobody. Although I want that status to change.
We know that about you, Uttam. That's why we brought them to you.
Get your mobile phone and a notebook. It will make him very happy and it will inspire him.
Okay then, I will tell you my story. Don't mind if I continue with my work. No one will do it for me and I need the money to go on forward with my dreams or else I will have to do such jobs for my whole life. You must be wondering how a kid like me could speak English. When I was small, we would rarely get a chance to watch movies from the windows of the Pradhan's house. I was so attracted by the way the main characters would deliver powerful dialogues which would make the other actors obey him. I wanted to learn such dialogues so that I could make people obey me as well. Then someone told me that the power isn't there in the dialogues. It's all about the position the person is in. I realized I had to climb from being Uttam to Atyuttam. That made me close with the books.
So you're convinced that learning is the key.
Look, even if I make a lot of money in some questionable ways, the people will still call me a slumdog millionaire. We have always fought for each other. Over the years, I have realized that the best kind of respect comes from what you are than from what you have.
You speak well for someone your age.
Like I said, Atyuttam. That's the goal. For us, the options are very clear. I could be like my parents who found less expensive ways in making me happy. Whenever I would demand them for a Kinder Joy, they would find empty Kinder Joy shells, fill it with a 5 rupee chocolate, crush it and give it to me.
This is tough for me to hear. Yesterday, I saw my neighbor's son who threw away Kinder Joy because he was given the pink edition.
Sorry, am I boring you?
No, do continue.
I didn't realize the tricks for many months. Honestly, I'm yet to experience the real taste. Either I continue to do these jugaads with my kids as well, और मैं एक पढ़ा लिखा आदमी बन सकता हूँ. उसके बाद हर एक चीज अपने आप आ जाएगी. This is how is it for many of us who would like to live an honest life. My friend Nyan is a good example. There is Naneshwar, Idhar Rajabai. These people are interested in knowing how we are chasing after a meaningful life even when we don't have the means.
थोड़ा पानी दे. Sorry, I just came out city. What we should tell you when you realize that life is never going to make things easy for you. Either you give up and become insignificant, or you decide to fight for what you want. We are tired of this society looking down on us as illiterate people. We want to change that. Moreover, in my case, my parents gave me this grand sounding name, and I have to do justice to that name. Can't be like the ones who will do anything for money. Imagine the name Naneshwar on the criminal list.
उत्तम भैया भी बहुत बेकार है सुनने के लिए.
So you see, being educated is the best bet to change the way people think about us. By the way, I have the same clothes you are wearing. You go to our college? No. I wish that were true. These clothes were given to me from a rich family. Maybe their son was in your college. Moreover, these clothes. Maybe their son was in your college. I helped my father to sell these used books. I don't matter at all as I get to read good books occasionally. It has made me a voracious reader.
What does voracious mean?
Now we can ask that to him. We'll see later.
Who's that? Looks like someone important. Who? Vasundhara Didi. She is the one constantly motivating us to go on learning.
Vasundhara Didi had recently joined the adult literacy program and she has passed class 7th examinations.
It has changed her a lot for the better.
That's interesting.
It has changed a lot for the better.
Are you college going students?
हाँ दादी.
Can you speak in English? I would feel very good after talking to you people in English.
Sure madam.
अरे कुर्सी में बिठाओ इनको, स्टूडेंट्स हैं.
हाँ भूल गया अभी रहता हूँ.
Vasundhara Didi, they thought we were probably panchayat member.
पंचायत में who wants to support an old woman in the village? You just saw people who wanted me to read the letters they received. 2 months before, I was supposed to go somewhere on a bus. I missed the bus and everyone in the family were angry about it. Next day, we heard the news that the bus I missed met with an accident. Government announced compensation for the victims. I saw that some of them were still angry on me for missing that bus. That day, I realized depending completely on others will make you a burden soon. I wanted to change that and join the classes.
That's a productive deviation from sad thoughts.
Tell us, what does being able to read and write mean to you at this age?
It means a lot. We have a small cooperative society here selling snacks for the shops in the city. An agent collects the products and deals with the sales, for which he charged us 50% of the profit. He would scare us talking about how everything is complex in the city and how we would be lost if we go there ourselves. Now I can read the destination written on the bus without having to ask anyone where it's going. When I get to the city, I can read the street signs. I can find where I need to go and I don't feel helpless anymore. And we get to keep all the profit.
That's really a comment indeed.
समझदार बनो, धोखे से बचो.
Your fight for recognition deserves an applause.
ये दिन मैं आखिर तक याद रखूंगी. Whenever I see students like you, I am reminded of the future that I never had. If I had this level of confidence when I was young, I would have had a job and my children would be eagerly waiting for me to die. And when I think of the children like these two and the difficulties they face, I feel for them. If they had the opportunity to learn without worrying about making money for daily needs, they could reach great heights.
With their level of dedication, we are certain that they will make this village proud of them.
Chalo, it's time to go. Vijay sir is waiting for us.
We will take your leave madam.
Visit us once in a while.
We'll call you when we celebrate
We'll certainly come for that.
Bye, Uttam.
Bye, Naneshwar. We will see you around.
So you guys are back. We are winding up here. Do you guys still feel the need to visit that guy from another college?
No, sir. We have enough content to work it out ourselves.
That's what I thought.
Sir, we weren't in the classroom today, but we did completely miss our classes after all. Thank you, sir.
I'm glad you thought it that way.
You know what they say. Life is a big textbook which makes us all learners for life.
Does anyone feel the need to contribute to their project work?
From what we have seen, if the fight against ignorance and injustice starts from a classroom, you won't have to step inside a courtroom.
That's true. He who opens a door of school closes a prison.
So that's enough philosophy for the day. And remember, helmets or seat belts?
जान बचाने के लिए है, पुलिस से बचने के लिए नहीं.
Alright then, off you go. Class dismissed.
Sir, wait for a minute. Sir, give this to Uttam and tell him that world is his oyster.
What a day.
It's as if the world was conspiring us to make us come up with an original project work.
Maybe this project work was not just for internal marks, but we start a talent NGO.
It would be an exceptional service for nation to make the real changes for countless children.
Not a bad thought.
It's a very noble thought.
We would call it Lighthouse.
Yeah, lighthouse, throwing light on the best possible version of children.
Throwing light on the most promising natural resources of the country.
Young India, here we come.
For the sake of all Uttams and Naneshwars of this country, let's hope that their lighthouse will shine brightly.